Good morning, dear brothers, sisters, friends, Mother Earth, Father, Son, and spiritual beings, God, Lords, angels, the animal spirits from the four corners of this world, across the universe, the dear beloved ones who passed away too soon, and sacrificed and devoted their life to help others. This is the second part of time, the anvil of civilization, the time between space and light. As today the rain falls, nothing will stop this fire. After the fire still burns. The heart grows older, but never ever learns. The memories smolder as the soul always yearns. Oh, after the fire still burns. Time, our first start. In our material and consuming world, death is no longer part of the life cycle. That's why we fear death, because we don't accept it in the life cycle. In our hasty lives, we do not longer allow ourselves time to think, to listen to the silence and our heartbeat, which belongs and connects us to the rhythm of Mother Earth. Parents, old ones, are being stuffed and sent to pension homes. The children do no longer have enough time to take care of their parents or even their own children. Double work shifts, as both the mother as the father have to work to pay for the mortgage of the house, education of the children, fitness, going out, etc., paying the bills. It almost looks surreal as time seems to go faster as you are entering the final years of your life, but that's an elusive trick of the mind. Listen and speak with your heart. Remember who you are, why you are here. Find your task, your path in life. Free yourself from the chains of occupations, of foreign lies, money, TV and radio, endless wires. Just simply like today rain. Let your tears flow, let your past go, let your tears flow, let your past go. Live in the present heartbeat of the time. 29 July, dark night, morning mist, sunrise, fire. As the Father, Son, and morning mist are competing with each other, who is stronger, the light always is victorious. If we, as a human race, would like to overcome war and chaos, could you for one time please listen to the request by the Creator and its spiritual beings, shared via myself. Form a circle of uniting hands to embrace with love and peace Mother Earth, Father Sun, and the universe of stars and planets. From Amsterdam to Vladivostok, from Vancouver to New York, from the North to the South Pole, from Mexico to Egypt, from Siberia to Persia. Embrace our common Mother Earth with an open heart, compassion, forgiveness, thankfulness, wisdom, peace, and most of all, with pure love. Then you will see the peace reign again on Mother Earth, as it was made from the very beginning. So shall be it, my brothers and sisters. We all are connected with each other into one body of hearts, living together, sharing its fruits in total harmony with all living. This is my presented wish for all living, in the past, the present and future time. It's time to act now, in honor to all those whom have sacrificed and devoted their lives so we can enjoy freedom and peace today. Live peacefully, walk in beauty and love, and live together and share what has been given to us freely. You don't have to pay for it. Thank you. I wish you all a blissful day, even though it rains. It doesn't matter. The rain will flush away all the negative vibes of Mother Earth. Thank you, brothers and sisters. And please share my request. That's the only option we have left now, today. Thank you.